We'll go outside. For New York City, okay, maybe not as bright a sky as we had yesterday or even earlier today. The storms are getting close. 89 degrees right now. The winds are calm currently. High temp today was 93. All right, basically the hottest day in this stretch that we've had this week. 79 your average, so you're well above that by 14 degrees. What do you expect? Well, those storms will be pushing through tonight. I think for basically everybody. The heat is going to be gone tomorrow. All right, today's your last day of it for a while. Clouds for the weekend, some clouds at least, and at least the chance for some rain as well. And then we keep an eye on Florence. That is something that you should be expected to do because, look, there's no definite on where this is going, so you just stay informed on it. What I can show you currently that's out there, some strong storms. I showed you earlier some severe thunderstorms. They've all been downgraded now, okay? So the severe thunderstorm warnings are finished for the area, but come on, you're being pelted in Fairfield County. From top to bottom in Fairfield County, you have strong storms in your area with a lot of thunder and lightning stretching over towards Huntington as well. There's another batch, okay, a little bit off to the west, Warren County, Sussex County, right here on top of Sparta. This is starting to make a little bit more of an east-southeast. See that little dip right there? One more time. Right there, it's dropping down more towards Mount Olive, going into Morris County. And where you see this red up in Orange County, there's a flash flood warning for you. That's the only warning I have on the board as of right now. I want to time the back edge, okay, to show everybody when you should be finished with all this. So Giorgio's got the sort of the magic marker back there. Let's do that, G. I'd like to time this right here, and we can pull that out and show everybody what the timing looks like. I think New York City, this says it's done in New York City around 9:25. Give or take an hour or so. It could be done at like 10:25, I think something like that for the city, maybe like 11 p.m. or midnight for the east end. And then it's going to be all about the cooler air filtering in, a little bit more of a northwest wind. This is Florence. I've got to give you the latest on Florence. It's gotten beaten up. I mean, yesterday it was a Cat 4. Now, okay, it ran into a lot of, wind shear in a certain portion of this environment where it is right now, and it's down to a Cat 1, and not even a strong Cat 1. So low-grade Cat 1, 80 miles per hour. Here's the problem. All right, it's moving to the northwest at 10 miles per hour. That little speck right there, that's Bermuda, all right? Not a really great forecast for Bermuda over the next 5 days. Let's show you the track from the National Hurricane Center. Do you notice something? There's Bermuda right there, okay? Now, we have it bouncing up from a 1 to a 2 to a 3. This is Tuesday. The whole thing has shifted a little further to the south from what I showed you yesterday. Remember I gave you two different scenarios? One would be a high pressure that would push it towards shore. The other would be the high pressure pushes offshore and the jet stream sets up a deflector shield and pushes it out to sea. That's not an impossibility of it being pushed out to sea. Here's one model that's buying into it 100%. A lot of the models are not buying into that right now. And if you're wondering about the famous European model, that's taking it more towards like the Outer Banks, the coast of the southeastern portion of the U.S., around South Carolina, North Carolina, and then sort of curving it around. So we have to watch this one. We have to watch this one very, very carefully. What I've got for you as far as your extended forecast, here's how it looks. 77 tomorrow, the cool air in place. Still a bit of a lingering rain chance. There's not going to be a lot of rain tomorrow. The clouds are certainly in place. 73 for Saturday, 70 on Sunday. Some of you on Sunday will be stuck in the 60s for high temperatures. Monday, you're looking at 73. The showers are likely on Monday. Again, the remnants of Gordon could give us some rain by Monday. And I really think all eyes should be focused on the very middle of the ocean right now.
We are.
Throwing this out there.
All right.